I'm eating well tonight, boys and girls. Look at this. Ooh. What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Josh and Babe. All right, if you guys saw last week, we did an awesome USDA Prime, expensive, the king of all steaks, rib cap. It was amazing. Obviously, we did it the best way we thought possible, which was the reverse sear method. Today, we're gonna be doing a little bit of an experiment. If you saw in the last video, these steaks came in a 3-pack from Costco, which is super hard to find these steaks, these rib caps. So Babe and I cooked up 2 of them that day on the Weber kettle. Today, I'm using the last steak. We're gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're gonna do it on the Blackstone 22-inch flat top griddle. Now, this is a total experiment for me. Taking this big, actually it's not big, taking this small, delicious, prime rib cap, expensive steak, putting it on that piping hot Blackstone griddle. I'm hoping what's gonna happen is it's gonna make that crust that the Blackstone is famous for. The inside is gonna be a perfect medium rare, and it's just going to be super juicy. So right now, let's get this steak salt and peppered up. Let's head on outside to the Blackstone. Let's do this little experiment. I'll bring you guys along with me. All right, and here we go. As you can see, the king of all steaks. Just an amazing cut of meat. Let's start with some pink Himalayan sea salt. And then, of course, that fresh ground black pepper. And you never want to cook a freezing cold steak. You want it to come up to temperature a little bit. So I'm gonna go outside, get the Blackstone set up. Well, this comes up to temperature, and here we go. Now, as we're waiting for the Blackstone to come up to temperature, I want to talk to you guys. This butter, we're loving it lately. The Kerrygold Pure Irish Butter. I'm going to lay a little bit of that down once this Blackstone gets super piping hot, and that's going to help really enhance the crust, I think, in this little rib cap experiment. I'm going to leave that butcher's twine on during the cook, and then I'll cut it off afterwards. And I'm thinking that I want to bring this steak to about 120-ish. Because then once I let it rest, tint it for a little while, obviously it'll come up. I'm going for like a medium rare. Medium rare. Obviously you do not want to overcook this fancy piece of meat. Okay. That was 102, but it's looking almost done. A couple more seconds and I think we'll be there. Total cook time of about 3 to 5 minutes. All right. Okay, as you can imagine, the smell is just amazing. I cut the butcher's twine off here. So let's just cut it in half. And let's just cut into it. I just want to see how done we are here and see if it's perfect. Ooh, what do you guys think? That's black and blue right there. A little bit more rare in the center, but that's perfect. I love that. I'm eating well tonight, boys and girls. Look at this. Ooh, perfect. These rib caps are just amazing. They are just amazing. It's tender like a beef tenderloin with the taste of a ribeye steak. Just so incredibly perfect. I mean, look at that. Wow. The Blackstone does it again. I gotta say, when we did the reverse sear in the other video, those really came out amazing. That tasted like a professional steakhouse, hardcore deliciousness. Awesome. This is a little bit different, but that crust that the Blackstone makes with just the medium rare on the inside and the flavor profile, just with salt and pepper only, really incredible. For the little tabletop Blackstone, I don't know. I like it both ways. Both ways are incredible. Just wanted to do a little compare and contrast. The Weber kettle, the reverse sear, compared to the Blackstone. You guys, get yourself a Blackstone. There's so much that you can do on it. So, with that being said, I hope everybody has a great night. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. What do you think you would like better? The Weber kettle, reverse sear, maybe a sous vide, Blackstone. I don't know. There's so many different ways. But let me tell you, you cannot go wrong with a rib cap steak, if you can find one. USDA Prime. All right, everybody, take it easy. We'll see you on the next video.